So this is question 11 on the May 2015 Foundation Paper 1. And the question is going to assess our quality of written communication in the question. So Tim owns a clothes shop. He buys 60 shirts at £8 each. So 60 shirts at £8 each. Then the selling price of each shirt is worked out so that he makes 50% profit on each shirt. He sells 15 shirts. So I'm just going to write the key notes down. So 15 shirts are sold. 15 shirts sold at 50% profit. After a few months, Tim reduces the selling price of each shirt by £5. So the remaining shirts cost £5 less. I'm going to go through all these notes once we've finished summarising the question. He then sells the remaining shirts at this reduced selling price. So the first thing we've got to do, the question, is has Tim made a profit or loss? You must explain your answer clearly. So the first thing we've got to do is work out the total of how much he spent on the shirts. So the total is 60 shirts at £8 each is going to be 60 times 8. So 60 times 8 is 480. So he spent 480. So that's how much he spent. If he makes a profit, he's going to have to spend more than £480. So he sold 15 shirts at a 50% profit on each shirt. So 50% profit is 50% more than this, more than £8. So 50% is half. So and a profit is added on. So a half of 8 is 4. So 8 plus 4 equals 12. So these shirts, 15 shirts, sold at £12 each. Because you work out 50% of £8 and then you add it on because it's a profit. And if you multiply these two out, 15 times 12, you're going to be left with £180. So the 15 shirts sold at £12 each, total up to £180. Right, the remaining shirts cost £5 less, and he sells all of them. So how many shirts are left? Well, he had 60 at first. So he had 60 at first, and he sold 15 of them. So we're going to take the 15 that he's already sold away. We're going to be left with 45 shirts. So 45 shirts costing, and he reduces the cost by £5 from the original £12. So that's going to be £7. 45 shirts costing £7. If he sells all of them, he's going to have to do 45 times 7, which is going to be £315. £315. So his total earnings are going to be the 15 shirts he sold at £180, and the 45 other shirts totaling to £315. So the total earned equals £180 plus 315, which is going to be £485. So that's going to be £485. Now we're going to take that away. £495. Take away the total he spent, which is going to be £15. So we have to explain then that Tim makes a profit of £15. And that's the answer.